Male reproductive system. We will understand how the male reproductive system is and what are the different parts of it and how the function takes place. It mainly consists of vas deferens, bladder, colon, seminal vesicle, prostate, testicle, epididymis, urethra and penis. These are the some of the important parts of the male reproductive system diagram, and it is mainly for 5 marks. Okay, this is located in the pelvic region. This is mainly located in the pelvic region, lower part of the abdomen. It consists of a pair of testes, accessory glands and ducts, and external genitalia. These are the 3 main important parts. There are pair of testes, accessory glands and ducts, and external genitalia. A pair of testes are the primary sex organs, whereas accessory glands and ducts are the secondary sex organs. We know that humans have one pair of testes, accessory glands and external genitalia. We will learn each of them in detail. Testes. It is mainly situated within the scrotum. Testes are mainly situated in the scrotum to maintain the temperature. They are situated in the scrotum to mainly maintain the temperature. It is a pouch in which testes are situated. Scrotum is mainly a pouch in which testes are situated. This protects the testes and also helps in maintaining the temperature. Scrotum protects the testes. It will protect the testes as well as it will help in maintaining the temperature. Okay. It is present in the situated in the scrotum region, which protects the testes and also help in maintaining the temperature. Each testes is 4 to 5 centimeter in length. They are of 4 to 5 centimeter in length, okay, and 2 to 3 centimeter in width, and has 250 compartments called as testicular lobules. It has mainly 250 compartments called as testicular lobules. And these testicular lobules have seminiferous tubules. These testicular lobules have seminiferous tubules. What are seminiferous tubules? Can be asked for 1 mark. Seminiferous tubules are the sites of sperm formation. They are mainly sites of sperm formation. Here the sperms are formed in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, testes are situated in the scrotum region. They protect the testes as well as help in maintaining the temperature. Structure of testes is they are 4 to 5 centimeter in length, 2 to 3 centimeter in width, and they have 250 compartments called as testicular lobules. These testicular lobules mainly consist of seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules are mainly the sites of sperm formation. Here sperms are formed. Okay, the seminiferous tubules are lined by 2 types of cells. Consider this is a seminiferous tubules. They are lined by 2 types of cells, male germ cells and Sertoli cells. They are lined by 2 types of cells, that is male germ cells or Sertoli cells. Male germ cells, they undergoes meiosis to form sperms. Male germ cells undergoes meiosis to form the sperms. The first sperm formation takes place in the male germ cells by undergoing the meiosis. Second one is Sertoli cells. They provide nourishment to the germ cells. Okay. Sperms are produced in the male germ cells. There must be care, nourishment, that is care. There must be care taken to these sperms. This is taken by the Sertoli cells. Okay, we know that seminiferous tubules are the sites of sperm formation and they are lined by 2 types of a cell, that is male germ cells and Sertoli cells. Male germ cells undergo meiosis to form sperms, whereas Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the germ cells. Okay, this is the seminiferous tubule region. There is a region outside the seminiferous tubules are called as interstitial space. Region outside the seminiferous tubules is called as interstitial space. These interstitial space contains of Leydig cells, and the Leydig cells produces the androgens. This contains Leydig cells and the Leydig cells produces androgens. Accessory ducts and glands. Okay. Second main part of the male reproductive system is accessory duct and glands. Accessory ducts mainly includes rete testis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. These are the important parts of the accessory ducts. We know that seminiferous tubules are the sites of sperm formation. Here the seminiferous tubules opens into the vas efferentia through the rete testis. Seminiferous tubules, these seminiferous tubules will open into the vas efferentia with the help of the rete testis, These seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia through the rete testis. Next, the vas efferentia open into the epididymis. This vas efferentia will open into the epididymis, which leads to the vas deferens. Okay, this route will lead to the vas deferens. The vas deferens opens into the urethra. This vas deferens will open into the urethra along with the help of a duct called as ejaculatory duct. Okay, along with the duct from the seminical, this duct is formed from the seminical vesicle called as ejaculatory duct. Okay, once more, it consists of the rete testis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. We know that seminiferous tubules are the sites of sperm formation. Okay, the seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia through the rete testis, and then vas efferentia will open into the epididymis, which will lead to the vas deferens. Then vas deferens will lead to the urethra through a duct called as ejaculatory duct, which is formed from the seminal vesicle. We know that ejaculatory duct is formed from the seminal vesicle. This ejaculatory duct will store some amount of sperms and then transport to the outside. The ejaculatory duct stores the sperms, that is male, and transports them to the outside. The urethra starts from the urinary bladder. Urethra will be starting from the urinary bladder, then gets extended through the penis and opens via through the urethral meatus. Okay. Next, third main part of the male reproductive system is accessory glands. These accessory glands will include a pair of seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and a pair of bulbotheral glands. Okay. Secretions of these glands make up the seminal plasma. The secretions of this type of glands will make up the seminal plasma and also help in providing nourishment, also nutrition. Okay, secretions of these glands constitute the seminal plasma in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Okay, secretions of this bulbotheral gland, okay, also help in the lubrication of penis. This secretion of a bulbotheral gland will also help in the secretion of a penis. It provides nutrition and a medium of a motility to the sperms. Motility, some amount of a movement to the male sperms. The third important part of the male reproductive system is external genitalia. The penis is the external genitalia in a human males. Okay, in the male reproductive system, in the male beings, the penis is the external genitalia of the human beings. It is made up of a special erectile tissue. It is made up of a special erectile tissue that helps erection of the penis, that helps in the erection of the penis to facilitate the insemination. It will help in the excision of a penis to help in the insemination. We know the insemination, that is the transfer of sperms to the female tract. It will help the male to transfer the sperms to the female tract. The enlarged tip of the penis is called as glans pennis. The enlarged tip of a penis is called as glans pennis, covered by the foreskin. It is mainly covered by the foreskin. It is called as glans penis. It is covered by the foreskin.